Wander open roads with us to Daytona Bike Week 2022. Hey everybody, this is Robin.
And I'm Miko.
And we're Wander Open Roads. Hey, thanks for joining us. We are so excited. It is Bike Week 2022.
Woohoo!
Daytona Beach, Florida. And this is our first bike week, so we're really excited.
Yes, I'm so excited. I mean, I hear so much about Bike Week. I kind of have these, preconceived idea of what it's going to be like, but I'm excited to see for myself.
Definitely. And, it's kind of like a bucket list item for somebody that rides. So, yeah, it's going to be awesome.
So if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing and liking this video.
And definitely hit the bell so that you're notified when we release new content. Thank you. What's up, good people? We are here. Yep, there it is. We are here with the big homie right here, Cousin D. And Cuz, where are we right now?
Hey, we are in Daytona Beach, Bike Week 2022 on Main Street.
Absolutely, yeah. So we're checking things out with the big homie. Now, this is our first time. We're really excited to be here, but I mean, you've been coming here for a long time, right?
Yep, this is probably about my 10th time up here.
Yeah,
many times.
Many times.
Yeah, not as crowded as in past years, but still a nice crowd here.
Okay, now let's check out and see what the big Cuz is driving here, because this is come here and
attention getter.
Show the folks.
Hey folks,
what you're working with. Yep, show the folks what you're working with, Cuz.
2020 not Can-Am.
Yeah, nothing.
Canyon T-Rex.
Right.
Three-wheeler. It is has a BMW 1695 engine in it. Yeah, 200 horsepower.
Oh yeah.
She'll go.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice. And of course we're doing our thing with the Can-Am Spider RT Limited right there, baby. So let's go. Hey Nico, so what is going on right now?
So we're on Main Street. Not exactly sure what's getting ready to happen. I just know that they've stopped all traffic coming down the street. So hopefully it's going to be something good.
Yeah.
So after spending several hours of watching other bikers go down Main Street, now it's our turn. Let's see what all the hype is about.
So Main Street was fun, and now it's time to go check out one of our favorite seafood restaurants, Daytona Beach, and go see what else there is to check out and do.
So now we're about to enter our second location for Bike Week. We are at the Daytona International Speedway, and there's supposed to be a lot of exciting things to check out here.
All right, so we have a change of venue now. So, Cuz D, where are we at now?
We're at Daytona International Speedway, Daytona,
Yeah,
Florida.
Absolutely.
Yes, enjoying Bike Week 2022.
Yeah, so they have all kinds of vendors here. They got, you can get light kits for your bike, you can get parts, you can get apparel, you can even buy a motorcycle here.
Yes, you can.
You can do everything here, so we are enjoying it.
And they have demo rides, so if you're not sure if you want to buy a particular style bike or a type of bike, they'll take you on a demo ride and let you try it out. Just bring your driver's license.
Yeah, facts. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
I tell you that I don't know if I've seen this many bikes in my life in one place.
Oh, I know. It's so many bikes just all gathering in Daytona. It's really such a beautiful thing to do and see. I mean, you can just see how big this community really is.
Oh yeah, definitely. And I mean, everybody's out here. I mean, you got the Harley riders and the the three-wheel riders. You got the sport bike riders. I mean, it's dirt bike riders, everybody.
Yeah, one big happy family.
Yeah, definitely. Awesome.
Now, I happen to just see something that kind of was in the sky, just kind of in the corner of my eye. So I think we're going to head over to check this out.
Yeah, definitely. This is pretty cool stuff. Looks like a exhibition of kind of like dirt bike riders, I guess, that are doing these jumps, and all I can say is wow.
Yeah, never seen anything like this. This was, for me, it was the highlight of going to this location. This is just amazing.
So there are events and activities going on for like a solid week here in Daytona. There's a bunch of nighttime stuff also, but we wanted to just kind of check out some of the stuff during the daytime, and it was a good experience.
Yeah, I mean, it was better than I imagined. I just remember hearing all the stories about Daytona Bike Week, and honestly, I wasn't that interested, but this really changed my mind. I mean, this was a really, really good event.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I guess there weren't too many girls in bikinis. So.
I mean, it's a real family event,
Yeah,
so I'm glad that they turned it around.
Yeah, definitely.
We'll be back next year for sure.
Oh yeah, we will see you next time, everybody.
Wander safely.
Be sure to check out our selection of motorcycle shirts. Links will be in the description.